We turn the May from the spring into love, and it grows, boy, even when the sky is gray, and it shows, boy, even on a cloudy day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be getting ready. I did my makeup look for you guys. It was just very easy, and then I refreshed my unit with just water. I didn't use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie that I've used in other videos. I just wanted to see how easy it is to actually refresh these curls, because I wasn't sure if you know, I was gonna have to do the entire head or I just do sections, and I didn't know if I had to soak the hair all the way or I could just lightly finger comb some water and just get it like a little bit damp instead of like soaking wet, because there are textures that are different in that aspect. You may not have to do all of that. Oh, okay, so okay, wait a minute. So before I even continue, I don't know why I have been forgetting to let you guys know where these units are from. I made it with Peruvian curly bundles and a frontal from UNice Hair company. I used 3.5 bundles, 226, 24, and then half of a 22, and then I used a 20 lace frontal. As you guys will see, I'll tell you right now so you don't have to wait. You do have to soak the hair and get it like all the way wet. You can't just like damp it. It just gets super frizzy, so you literally have to do that. If you want this hair super defined, I do highly suggest and recommend using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. That's going to get the hair super defined. I ended up only refreshing sections of this unit. I don't really mind my unit having a little bit of frizz in there, so I can get away with doing like just like sections every, you know, all throughout the wig. But if you're someone that, like, you know, you like it super defined, you're definitely going to have to put in the time and the effort and just, honey, just whip the whole entire thing, okay? I also wanted to show you the front of my unit, the frontal, because like I mentioned in the other video, I'm going to link that down in the description box if you haven't seen that already, that I did install this from like here to here with the Gots to Be Glue hairspray, and then I use my Bold Hold Extreme Cream right here by the ears because I like more security right here. But when I use the Gots to Be Glue hairspray, I only usually leave my units on for about a day or two, because after that it just, you know, it's not looking as fresh as it would be if in fact I use the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. So as you guys can, hopefully you guys can see, if not I'm gonna try to zoom in. Y'all should be able to see this, but it is definitely coming up right here. I mean, it is an easy fix. All I would have to do is put some more hairspray right here, but I didn't do that because I'm actually about to take this thing right on off. So but if you're someone that is more experienced in wearing wigs and taking care of curly textures, then you're gonna be good. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check your lovelies out in the next video. Bye.